Okay, so today we are going to be making Loki's helmet from Thor Ragnarok. Okay, so this is exciting because this is the first video I get to use my new headcast. So, by the way, if you would like to see how to build this, go click over there. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna explain real quick what I do. So, real quick, you cover the whole head in tinfoil, then you wrap that on duct tape, make sure to retain the facial features. Then you're gonna draw on your Sharpie, kind of like where you want to cut out for the face and the back. And when you cut off the head down the middle, you cut it in half, cut it off, and then you cut out all those pieces. Now you have like two halves. So then you kind of just cut, once you have like a duct tape version of your helmet, just cut it up into pieces and maybe cut slits in and like open it up like this, and then you'll have like all the pieces flattened out, and then you can put that on cardboard. So I'm going to start by doing the tinfoil thing and then drawing on all of the parts. Okay, let's clean up this mess. Okay, great. Okay, so the reason I did not have much breaks and I just kind of went and did a lot of it is because it actually didn't take me super long time, but also I couldn't really find anything to stop for, and like I was just kind of doing it, and then like I already had these horns from when like multiple months ago I tried to make this and decided to stop. So I already had those. I was able to trace temples off of them before I put them on. So that's good. So basically all the stuff is on the template sheet. I'm pointing, you can't see, but I have it sitting there. So I can pop it on real quick just to show you. So this is of course made to fit my head. I might have to actually put some more stuff in the back to make it a little tighter, but this is the general idea. So I think I need to go spray paint the gold now. Okay, so I just want to talk about a couple things real quick. There's some stuff I didn't say. I said I was going to paint, and then I ended up actually adding some more stuff before I painted. So what I added is this piece right here. This is one half, and then there's like the other half. So on the templates, this will just be like drawn as looking like it's the same as the strap. So you can just cut out a strap and then one of these pieces. It's kind of using the same template. You use it for the main piece, and then cut it out more and use it for the next piece. Same thing with these. This has this other little strip here, so you cut out the first piece and then you cut out that strip after you're done using the first template. That way, you don't have to make multiple. It doesn't have to be multiple different ones. Just put them on top of each other because they're basically the same piece. So that's the only thing. So I just I did some painting with this like olive green. I kind of darkened my green. So now all that's left to do is to wait for this to dry, and then to see if there's anything else I need to do. So let's do a quick paint drying montage.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so we're finished. I think it looks really awesome. So you just saw those close-up shots, now you're seeing it. I'm not sure these horns may actually be off screen. I've been down a little so you're sure to see it. But that looks like. So, I have some templates right here. There's not really, I don't think anything to talk about that I haven't already covered. Maybe like, I did like have the two pieces. There was like one piece and this little piece. I did put another piece just kind of like on the back. Just to help it curve, because if you think about it, you have two pieces of cardboard, and if you curve them, put glue in the middle, and then curve them, then like they'll dry. Once they dry, they'll kind of stay more curved. That's how I kind of got it to stay curved. So when you glue an outside one, and maybe if you even want to glue on the inside one, so this is 3 thick right here, then that'll help it stay curved. So you put glue on, and then you keep it wholly curved until it dries, and then it should kind of stay curved, because the outside piece will be a bigger circle. This one will be a smaller circle, like as it curves, so they'll kind of lock in. So yeah, if you want to do the inside piece, that would just be like a second one of this middle piece. So, put the green, put this little box here. I think I have all the pieces for this on there, and templates. So, I'll talk real quick about these templates. Let's see if, I think they're all traced down. So, you kind of have to assemble them. Let's see if I can, oh, here we go. Oh yeah, so we still haven't traced on quite yet, but these, all 3 will connect, all 3 pages will connect. So, as usual, I have some of these things where they show a little picture of what it should look like, and measurements. So that piece right there, there's 2 of those. That is this piece and this piece. And then this horn right here that kind of goes into that page times 4 is either side. So it's like 1 wedge and then the side curved pieces. As you can see, there's that piece and that top piece there. As I said, I didn't trace this piece on yet, but that will just be traced on like right here, and then you'll kind of cut out this and then use this piece second. So I don't think there's really anything else to it. I painted it gold. I couldn't spray paint it gold. I had to use actual just normal paint because it's so cold outside. Spray paint will actually work. But depending on when you're making this, and if you're making it, you could use spray paint. It would probably be a lot easier to spray paint because it's hard with acrylic paint trying to paint something, the whole thing one color. Like you have to try to find somewhere to hold it and rest it and keep, I kind of hold it from this little tip and try to paint everything, and then like put it down and then paint that so everywhere is covered. I didn't even do the inside just because you can kind of see it when it's on my head. So So I do hope you enjoyed. I do hope you go down into the description and you make that yourself. And I'll see you next time.